Most GATE aspirants spend more time choosing study material than actually studying, and most of what they choose is the wrong thing. Would you be interested to know exactly what makes GATE study material worth your time and what is just noise that slows you down? My name is Meet Patel. I have done my MS from IIT Madras. I have reviewed hundreds of books, note sets, and video courses, and I can tell you with full certainty the material you study matters far less than how you study it. But when the material itself is a poor, even good study habits cannot fully compensate. Students spend weeks comparing note sets online, reading reviews, downloading samples, switching course midway. The decision paralysis around GATE material is real and it is expensive in terms of time. Meanwhile, the student who picks one good resource and studies it deeply consistently outperforms the student who has assembled the best collection but never commits to any of it. So if you keep searching for a better material instead of deeply engaging with what you have, you will be in a material collection mode 6 months from now instead of exam ready mode. Good enough material studies deeply beats the perfect material studies shallowly every single time. So stay till the end because I am going to give you the exact criteria for evaluating any GATE resource, notes, books or video lectures. So let me start with the most important resource, one that is free and completely overlooked by students focused on collecting premium material. So for most GATE branches, the standard textbook for your BTech subject are your primary concept reference. You do not need specialized GATE books for understanding the concept. What you need is a GATE specific resource for. So is a practical question, a previous year analysis and shortcut technique standard textbook, shortcut technique. Standard textbooks like Sengel for thermodynamics, Edra Smith for analog electronics, Corman for algorithm. These are the concept foundation and trust them. For notes, handwritten or printed, evaluate them on 3 criteria. First, are their syllabus mapped for GATE? Generic engineering notes often cover too much depth in area GATE does not test. Second, do they include GATE previous year question topic by topic? Good GATE notes integrate previous year question into the content, not as a separate section in the end. Third, are they updated for the current year syllabus? GATE syllabus changes slightly year to year. Notes from the 5 years ago may have irrelevant content. For video lectures, evaluate on this criteria. Does the faculty explain the GATE specific approach to solving problems, not just textbook method? Is the lecture paced for exam level problem solving? Can you access recording to replay a complex problem or section? Is there a doubt clearing system, live session, telegram group or direct faculty access? About free YouTube content, it is excellent for concept understanding on a specific topics where you have confusion. It is a poor for structured sequence GATE preparation. So no YouTube channel gives you the discipline, sequencing and assessment structure that a proper course provides. Use YouTube as a supplement for specific doubts, not as a primary preparation source. One book I recommend universally for all branch, GATE previous year solved papers for your specific branch. It should have minimum 10 to 15 years. This is your single most important practice resource. If you have this and nothing else, you are better equipped than a student with a 10 books and no previous year practice. Comment notes to receive information about EduGATE study material and free demo class is in the description. We'll see you in our next video.